How to improve sight naturally, fact with fiction? It all depends on choosing the right eye exercises. Picking the wrong ones can actually make your eyesight worse. I've seen many cases where people try exercises from the internet and end up with the same vision. For instance, someone with myopia might already have tensed eye muscles, and doing a set of 10 intense exercises without proper rest can cause even more tension. We don't need tension when doing eye workout. We need to get rid of clamps and tightness of eye muscles, make them flexible. Building healthy vision naturally. It's crucial to limit yourself to no more than 3 specific eye exercises at the beginning, with just 1 or 2 repetitions. No more than 1 minute per training session. That's what I figured out after years of research and training, and always include eye relaxation before and after I work out. That's why I recommend the top 3 exercises for myopia video on my channel, or light stretching eye exercises. A lot of eye exercises that you find online under eye gymnastics claim to prevent eye diseases. But remember, most online exercises are meant for prevention, implying you already have a good vision. They are not suitable for those whose eyesight is already low. Natural eyesight improvement. What really works? The exercises I offer are tailored for either myopia or hyperopia or astigmatism treatment naturally, and designed to genuinely help improve your condition by regularly allowing your eyes to rest, gently stretching the eye muscles, and often focusing on distant objects. You can gradually enhance your vision. It's important to approach these exercises with relaxation, regardless of your ability to move your eyes in different directions. The science of seeing better. Improving your eyesight naturally involves adopting healthy visual habits, similar to how brushing your teeth is a part of your daily routine. By actively changing how you view things, making it a point to look at objects at various distances every few minutes, instead of fixating on a screen for hours without a break. These clear vision practices can become second nature when you start incorporating brief moments or rest, like closing your eyes for 10 seconds. Whenever you feel the slightest bit of eye fatigue, these actions become automatic, eliminating the need for conscious effort to relax your eyes. Developing habits for clear vision doesn't take much time or effort. They are straightforward, and once they become a regular part of your life, your eyes will experience less strain. This reduction in constant strain can alleviate and eventually eliminate muscle spasms around the eyes, leading to an improvement in your vision. Check out the Eyesight Academy course to build eye health naturally, a link in the description of this video. For more eye care tips and effective eye exercises, make sure to subscribe to my channel.